Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today. I'm Rachel. I work on the marketing team here at ButterflyMX, and with me today we have Frank Freehill, who's on our partners team. And just a little bit about what we're going to be discussing today. We're going to give you an overview of our Amenity reservation feature. We'll discuss how it works and go into the hardware and configuration. Great. So it looks like there's a few people here who have attended some of our previous events, but just in case you're new or aren't familiar with ButterflyMX, I'll do a quick intro. ButterflyMX is a complete access control solution typically installed in multi-tenant buildings. In fact, we're currently installed in more than 10,000 multifamily, commercial, student housing, and gated communities across the country. And our products allow residents and staff to manage access on the go. We host this monthly event to dive into individual products and features, as well as educate you on the specifics of the products, like what problems they solve, and of course, how to install them. Awesome. So today, Frank will be discussing an overview of our amenity reservations. So take it away, Frank.
Great, thanks. And hi, everyone. Like Rachel mentioned, I'm Frank from our partner team, and today we'll be exploring our amenity reservations feature. So to start, what is it? The ButterflyMX amenity reservation feature streamlines the amenity booking process for property managers and their residents. Once set up, residents can explore, reserve, and invite guests to amenity spaces right through the ButterflyMX mobile app. Upon successful reservation, residents receive an exclusive swipe to open key, while guests receive date and time-limited PIN codes to access that amenity space. Additionally, this feature provides property managers with visibility into booked amenities, reservation details, and payment status, all within the ButterflyMX operating system. Plus, you can manage requests, approvals, and access logs with ease from anywhere in the world. So how does it all work? Amenity reservations can be set up in just a few simple steps. First, property managers will set up the building's amenity areas using the ButterflyMX operating system. Next, residents can explore and reserve these amenities, add guests to their bookings, and manage key preferences through the ButterflyMX mobile app. After that, the reservation requests are added to the building's administrative portal in the ButterflyMX operating system for review and approval. And then finally, once approved, residents can seamlessly unlock amenity doors from the home screen of the mobile app. So now let's look at the hardware and configuration for the amenity reservations. One of the great things about this feature is the ease of the setup. Any new or existing building using ButterflyMX keypads are eligible to add this feature to their property. And since it's all software-based, there's no additional hardware or physical installation required. All that's necessary is to give our support team a call. We'll be able to configure and enable the system on our back end.
All right, well, it looks like we're out of time. So thank you all for attending today's webinar. If you have any questions or would just like more information, feel free to give us a call or reach us at sales@butterflymx.com. And if you're ready to start receiving exclusive benefits and pricing, just visit butterflymx.com/dealer-program to join our dealer program. Again, thanks for joining and have a great day.